just for you guys. Cheeseburger stuffed peppers. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen, where sometimes we do it keto, sometimes we do it low carb, but we always do it delicious. Today's recipe, cheeseburger stuffed peppers. Guys, these things are delicious and they're so easy to make. I do them in the air fryer. They're done in about 15 minutes. So let's get to it. For the burger mix, we have 20 ounces of 80/20 ground beef, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and 1 small diced onion of your choice. It could be a sweet onion, yellow onion, red onion, whatever you like. So we'll go ahead now and get that mixed up in a bowl. Okay, I've prepared a couple of peppers. I started by cutting the pepper in half and then taking a spoon to remove all of that white pith that we want to get out of there. And next we're going to go ahead and hit it with some olive oil spray. You can brush that on if you want and sprinkle it with a little bit of garlic salt. And then we're going to get this into the air fryer. I've gone ahead and placed the peppers into the air fryer basket, and now we'll go ahead and air fry these for 6 minutes at 400 degrees. While our peppers are in the air fryer, I've gone ahead and placed our hamburger mixture into a skillet, and then we're going to go ahead and brown that all up, probably about 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, that's looking really good. So what we'll do now is we are going to cut our heat back to medium low. And we're going to add half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. We're going to add about a dozen chopped dill pickle chips. Now, I really love pickles. If you don't love pickles as much as me, you might want to use a little bit less. And then we will add in 2 tablespoons, 1 second, of sugar-free mayo, 2 tablespoons, sugar-free ketchup, 2 tablespoons of my homemade mayo, and half a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And we'll go ahead and just kind of get that all combined in there. And then we'll be ready to stuff our peppers. It's been 6 minutes, and we'll go ahead and get the peppers stuffed. Once the peppers are stuffed, we'll go ahead and sprinkle a little bit more of the cheddar cheese on there, because why not? And then we'll place this back into the air fryer for 2 more minutes at 400 degrees. And there you go, guys. All that's left to do now is to get this onto a plate, and it'll be time to chow down. Okay, guys, I don't know about you, but I'm ready to give this a try, so let's dig in. Pepper's nice and soft, cuts like butter. Guys, you've got to give this one a try. I'll see you back in the kitchen. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you get a chance to make it in your kitchen. Now, if you did like this video, do me a favor. Give that thumbs up a click. And if you want to get more recipes like this, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. Now, if you like this one, you might want to try this one. And I'll catch you on the next one.